Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be breaking down Zoom's pricing plans that will help you to choose the best one for your needs. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description for the latest Zoom subscription details. Now, Zoom offers several pricing tiers from a free version to the advanced business solutions. So let's go over each plan. So here, as you can see that the first plan is the Pro plan that will cost you $13.33 per month, in which you are going to get all of the perks and benefits like the 40-minute meeting limit, up to 100 participants, and much more. This is the Zoom Pro plan. If we take a look at the business plan, so it will cost you $18.32 per month. It may vary from country to country, but here in my country it is showing me this. So you are going to get up to 300 participants and the cloud recording, transcripts, and a bunch of other things as well. So currently it is showing me only two plans over here. If you use Zoom basics, so the basic is great if you need the occasional video calls, but Pro one is for the ideal users who frequently use Zoom. It is for freelancers and small teams that need longer meetings. If you are a businessman, or if you are an entrepreneur, business suits growing companies that requires branding and better features. They will also provide you the enterprise plan, which is for the larger organizations that needs scalability and advanced supports. So Zoom offers flexible pricing options based on your needs. So whether you are a casual user, freelancer, business, or enterprise, there is a plan for you. So if you want to check out the plans based on your country, you can just use the link in the description. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.